Forecast.
All right, there is the view from the Charlottesville-Albemarle Regional Airport here on this Tuesday evening. Hope you are keeping cool. Just a few clouds out there. Certainly a lot of June sunshine baking down upon the region, and we're not tracking any isolated showers or storms this afternoon or evening. Here's the start to the day captured by Jerry Eck from Lake Monticello. Gorgeous sight there, and yeah, temperatures heated up in a hurry. Currently 91 at the airport. Touched 94 today, a dew point of 66, so it still feels like it's in the mid-90s. Again, the higher that number, and in terms of the dew point, the more moisture in the atmosphere. 88, the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 90 for an afternoon high today. Some other numbers at this hour: 89 in Madison, still 91 in Culpeper, 88 in Louisa, 89 in Dillon, and some mid to upper 80s across the Shenandoah Valley. There's a look at some of the real field temperatures. Again, low and mid-90s at this hour. Luray is the hot spot. The dew points measure the moisture content in the atmosphere. It's a better measure than relative humidity, and the higher the number, that means more humidity and more moisture in the atmosphere, which makes it harder to cool off. So when you have numbers 65 or even over 70, that can be oppressive, and we're dealing with that pretty much all week. A quiet scan of first alert Doppler radar. No isolated showers or storms this afternoon. A few across West Virginia, but high pressure rules the roost. Temperatures here tonight will slip back into the upper and middle 60s, mild and muggy, and then temperatures tomorrow pretty much in the low 90s as we'll have those hot and humid conditions to contend with. The current building heat wave, we have to have 3 consecutive days of 90+ degree heat, will peak out Saturday and Sunday. Big numbers with near record highs, if not possibly records, upper 90s. So it's going to feel like 100 to 105, especially across Central Virginia. Again, be prepared for it. Take all those precautions to stay cool. And unfortunately, we are just drying out pretty quickly. Rain chances are pretty low. There may be more isolated convection or showers and storms as we move into the weekend and early next week. The next front may not get through here through Monday, but it may not offer much relief in terms of what's behind it. So high pressure not only at the surface, but higher up in the atmosphere, dominating the eastern seaboard. We have an organized front across the upper Midwest, some tornado and severe thunderstorm watch boxes from Minnesota down to portions of Kansas and Nebraska. And then this broad area of low pressure has not been named yet, but this is pretty much future tropical storm Alberto, which looks to move into Mexico, but all the rain's on the north side of it. So there's going to be very heavy rains already underway across Texas and Louisiana that's moving in that direction ongoing. Temperatures in the morning, muggy 60s and 70s. The afternoon, we heat back up at or above 90 in many spots. And then here we are Thursday morning, once again in the muggy 60s and 70s. Afternoon highs here on Thursday, back in the low 90s, with that heat really peaking out by the weekend, and hence the first alert for that excessive heat. Temperatures tonight in the upper and middle 60s, mild and muggy. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as our building heat wave rolls on with more 90s ahead. Only gets hotter as we move into Friday and this weekend, and hence, because of the excessive heat, Saturday and Sunday, first alert weather days. Monday may offer a front producing some scattered showers and storms, but even behind that front, 90s look to persist, and that'll take us to the last week of this month.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.